Hello everyone, welcome back to the lecture. In the previous lecture, we have learned and got clarity over each and every concept of virtualization, and we have learned what is virtualization, how it works, what are hypervisors, what are their types, and what type of virtualization software or hypervisor we are going to use in this course. And now in this lecture I am going to create a virtual machine, and before we start creating our virtual machine we need two things. First, a hypervisor or virtualization software, and second is an operating system. So for the hypervisor or virtualization software we are going to download Oracle's VirtualBox. So to navigate to the website we can simply just type Oracle VirtualBox in our search bar or type virtualbox.org in our URL bar. So as we have search results right here, we will now navigate to the website of Oracle VirtualBox. So as we click on the link of the website, we are prompted with a short description of VirtualBox that says VirtualBox is a general purpose full virtualization software for 64-bit hardware with version 7.1 additionally for macOS ARMs, targeted at laptop, desktop, server and embedded uses. Just beside that we get a download button option. So as we click on the download button we are again prompted with a landing page, and in this page we have several options for platform packages. So suppose you are a Linux user, you can download the Linux distribution. If you are a Mac OS user, you can download the Mac OS version. If you are a Windows user just like me, you can download the Windows host. And as per this course we are going to use VirtualBox version 7.1, and if you are watching this course in the near future and it has a upgraded version like 7.2 or 7.3, you must download the latest version. So as per this course we are going to download the Windows host package, and as I click on the Windows host it asks me the download location. So we are going to allocate it the download directory and click on the save button. So as we click on the save button it is started downloading and the download is nearly completed. So as you can see the download is completed, and if we go to the our download directory we can see we have this exe file for our VirtualBox setup. So now we have our virtualization software. Now what we need an operating system, and for operating system we are going to use Kali Linux. So to navigate to the website we can simply type Kali Linux in our search bar, or we can type kali.org in our URL bar. So as we have the search results right here, we can simply click on the website link, and as we click on the website we have prompted with a message from Kali Linux that has a short description about Kali Linux that says the most advanced penetration testing distribution. Kali Linux is an open source Debian based Linux distribution geared towards information security tasks such as penetration testing, security research, computer forensics and reverse engineering. So now we know why we are going to Kali Linux, that is for penetration testing. And as we can see there is a download box right there, we have to click on that, and as we click on the download box we are again prompted with several different options of Kali Linux images. And in this course we are going to use pre-built images, not the ISO images. And we have several reasons to do so, as pre-built images are much better than the ISO image, because pre-built virtual machines comes with Kali Linux pre-installed and pre-configured. You can simply import it directly into a hypervisor that we are going to use VirtualBox and start using it immediately. While when you are using an installer image you have to manually install everything, including partitioning, configuring network settings and selecting optional tools, which is much more time consuming. Also in pre-built images they are typically optimized for penetration testing with default configuration for network settings, shared folders and essential tools, while in ISO image you have to again customize manually, which increases the risk of getting errors. And if you don't want errors, you can simply just download pre-built images. So now we know why we are going to download pre-built images. We just have to click on this and we again get some options to install, and these options are for our hypervisors. So if you are using VMware Workstation, you have to download this, and as we are using VirtualBox, so we have to download this second option. But what is this third option? This is Hyper-V, and as in the previous lecture I have told you that Hyper-V is a bare metal hypervisor, and this image is for that hypervisor, and we definitely don't have to use this third one and the fourth one. So we are going to download our VirtualBox pre-built image. So we are going to download the image for our VirtualBox, and we have to simply click on this and the download will start. But before it will ask us for download location, and we will give it downloads directory to be installed at, and we have to click save, and the downloading is already started. So till it's being downloaded, I have to show you something extra. So suppose if you want some older versions of Kali Linux, you can simply head to old.kali.org and you can have whatever version you want of Kali Linux. It has all the previous version released by Kali Linux. So if you want any previous version, you can download it from here. So as we can see, we have our VirtualBox and Kali Linux file both on our desktop, and in the next lecture we are going to install both of these and run our virtual machine and our operating system.